Today we're gonna shoot some balloons with some Nerf guns. Let's do this. This one's called That's My Balloon, Mr. Mannequin. That's right. This one's called the Wubble Bubble Shot. Wait a second, what? Oh my gosh, I think someone at the store put their hand in here, grabbed the Wubble Bubble, and stole it. Are you? No way! Wow! Don't steal, kids, because you'll die. Behind the back. What's up? 2 bullets, 2 balloons, let's do this. What up? 2 in a row. 3 in a row. 4 in a row. 5 in a row. Mamma mia. So we're outside now and it's a little bit windy. So this one's called the windy shot. This one's called behind the back windy shot. Here we go. Woo. I hope I didn't hit anybody. This one's called Bye Bye Balloon. Bye Bye Balloon. Bye. Oh shoot, I hit someone. Oh shoot. This one's called the Sibling Trust Shot. You ready? Yep, don't miss. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god. Oh my gosh! Am I bleeding? A little bit. Where? Oh my gosh! Okay, alright, we're done here. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe. Do not put thumbtacks on your Nerf bullets and gotta get. Whoa, wow, that hurt. My bad.